Hey y'all, Carrie here with an impromptu video. I made a mistake. It's very obvious I made a mistake this week, and I am owning up to it. I made a mistake. So, for years I have uploaded videos on my YouTube channel on Sunday, but I've been trying to kind of make Sunday more of my family day and make the week more of my work week. So I thought and I analyzed that maybe just switching the days to Wednesday would be a good idea because it's in the middle of the work week, and I tried to really think about time frame and stuff like that. So I uploaded a video this week on Wednesday at 3 p.m. I made it a premiere so that I could comment and y'all could talk to me while it goes on. And nobody showed up. And I don't fault any of you. I did get, during the premiere, there was 2 people who showed up, and that was pretty much it. And then over the course of several hours, slowly views started to trickle in. And thank you so much for those of you who commented on the video and for those of you who watched. It really did mean a lot, but the numbers were very, very, very low. So I made a mistake and I'm switching once again my videos back to Sunday. However, I might not be able to do premieres on Sunday because sometimes my days on Sunday are kind of wacky due to just life in general. And so I'll still be commenting underneath the videos just like I always did, but it will be along and along throughout the day. It's not going to be like a premiere event where I can sit down and actually talk to you guys during the whole video premiere, which is what I was kind of thinking that I would do in the future, but it just didn't work out, and I'm gonna shift gears and move around. So I am trying also to be more on a schedule for my YouTube channel. That helps with the algorithm. I'm sure you're sick of hearing this, but the algorithm either beats you up or it lifts you up with YouTube. And so schedules actually really work well with the algorithm. I'm still not pushing myself. I just want you to know I am putting my health on top tier. So if a video doesn't come out one week, it's not a big deal, but I would like to try and start sticking to a schedule. So for Sundays, I'm going to be uploading my YouTube videos, which are either going to be art motivational stuff, similar to what I uploaded this week. I know it's not a clickbaity title. I know a lot of you might look at it and go, whatever, by the thumbnail, because it's not necessarily like, hey, check out this new supply, or hey, check out this new hack. It's going to be usually just one word that represents something that I am processing through. So this particular week, it was artist, and what I was processing through, what it basically means to be an artist, and the different hats that we wear being an artist or even being a creative person. So those videos I don't expect to do very well because they're not very search user friendly ranking, such as if you put watercolor paper or watercolor hack, those usually get really high in the search algorithm because they're a clickable title. So just be aware when you see that thumbnail, please watch it. It really does help the channel, and I promise you, I am putting a lot of effort into these videos. These videos are things that I would want to watch if I was on YouTube and I saw these types of things. I like watching artists talk about their process and how they think about certain things that they're going through in their brain while they're creating their art. So that's kind of the series that I'm trying to create with basically the art therapy / motivational art videos. The other videos that I'm going to be uploading every other week will be the same old stuff, watercolor tips, watercolor hacks. Those are going to be shorter videos because I'm basically going to fixate on usually one supply or one particular hack. Now, for those of you who are missing the chatty kind of vloggy videos, I'm still making those. They're just going to be inside of Watercolor Misfit Land. And I'm going to put those inside of Watercolor Misfit Land first. They usually go along with the video that is either the art motivational video or the watercolor tip hack. If you want more in-depth content where I'm just talking to the camera, those are going to be inside of Watercolor Misfit Land for about a week or two, and then I will release them to YouTube. So if you want first kind of dibs and first look into the more chatty vlog stuff, those are going to be inside of Watercolor Misfit Land first. And then if I feel like this is a really good topic that probably would do well on YouTube, I'll release it on YouTube. Some videos I won't, some videos I will. Those are kind of going to be whatever I feel in that particular week or that particular moment. Because some of those chatty videos don't do well, and y'all love them, those of you who are my returning kind of subscribers, but they don't rank really well, and they can actually hurt my algorithm. I hate saying that word, but they can hurt my channel because they don't perform as well as some of the other videos that I put together. So I'm gonna kind of be splitting off a little bit and doing some of the stuff that's kind of just more of the chatty type of stuff that you can listen to in the background, which I enjoy actually a lot. Most of that's going to be inside of Watercolor Misfit Land, and then more of the cinematic-y kind of, I don't know, clickable videos. Those will be more on YouTube. So hopefully that clears things up. Once again, I'll put up a calendar, and I will be basically releasing a weekly calendar so you can see exactly what's coming and what times I'm planning on uploading certain videos. So if I do a premiere, let's say I do have time to do a premiere on Sunday, I'll be at that premiere and I'll be chatting in the comments with all of you. And if I don't have time to do a premiere, just know I will be in the comments, but I'll be in and out during the day, just chatting with all of you. So anyway, hopefully that clears up a lot of stuff. Please, y'all, I am begging you, please go watch that artist video. I spent probably 2 weeks working on that video. I love that video. That video is one of my favorite videos that I have actually ever produced for this channel. And it is just not getting the love that it deserves. I don't want it to, like, I don't care if it blows up. I just want y'all to see it. My loyal subscribers, those of you who are watching this video, because I think it would really resonate with a lot of you, because it really resonated with me. But anyway, lots of love, y'all. I will see you next week with a new video, and happy painting. Bye.